At the end of every month or so, I kind of choose some of my older pieces, some of my newer pieces, some in-between pieces, and I show them to you again because it's so hard to go through the playlist. I know that there are over 500 tutorials there. And this way, I get to show you, look at some older pieces again, some newer pieces again, and, just share with you the joy of all the beading we've done. So we're going to start with, this is moon rocks. So if those of you who've been with me a very long time, you know moon rocks. It is a variation of the crystal bling necklace that we did in bracelet. So it's a little bit different. I might have to redo the video on this. We'll see. I'm going to link the old tutorial and see if it's good. And if not, we can always, we can do a redo. It's always fun to do a redo. So here's the necklace. And I remember I wore this necklace on vacation with my husband. We went to the Caribbean. Oh gosh, I don't know how many years ago this was. Probably 10 years ago or 8 years ago, something like that. And I remember this necklace and I got so many compliments. And so what I did is I paired it with a newer piece. And this is, what is the name of this piece? Sea Jewels bracelet. Now we have the pendant as well, but I couldn't find the pendant. So I'll link it down below. What I do is I'll link all the videos, the tutorials to all the pieces I show you in the description box below the video. And I couldn't find the pendant, which I love so much, but look how pretty. This most current piece goes with the older moon rocks piece. So I adore these two together. So that's what we're going to start with. So absolutely love this. So we have the Aurora pendant and the triangle bead chain necklace. I think that's what we called it. And this is where we did this pattern in our peyote and this pretty edging here, and then we did peyote little bail here, and then this pretty necklace to go with it. Now I think I've shown this one before, but I just thought it really went so well again with this bracelet and this color theme. So I just wanted to pull it out one more time and give you a look at that in case you would like to make this yourself. So pretty for the summer. Next up I have this wrap bracelet, and this was from my collaboration with Eureka Crystal Beads. I think this was the Seaside Dreams collection, and this is a take on that very expensive designer wrap, leather wrap bracelet. Like we did, we took these little moon phases and we hung this from the bracelet. Now, I don't know if these are in style anymore. They are for me. I wear them. I definitely would continue to wear this, especially if I bought the $150 one. It would be in style for me at any time. But anyway, so we did a little recreation on that one. I think that came out so cute. And I love the little moon phases. Let me see if I can get those down on the, there we go. So those cool little moon phases right there. Here's the Aurora ring. This goes with the pendant. So isn't that cool? I love this. I love this as a set. So beautiful for summer. I can't wait to wear this with a beautiful sundress, just a pair of jeans and a white shirt. And also we have this little Cellini band ring. I forget what this is called, but I'll link it down below. But that's another one we did. Very easy, very, just very summery looking. Love. This beautiful bracelet. And I might have shown it before, but like I said, I really wanted to get this color beachy theme going. And what I love about this is an older piece, and it goes so beautifully with everything newer. So really you can wear this with any of these pieces, any of the newer pieces. And that's what I really love about creating my own jewelry and designing it, is that I can make pieces that I feel are timeless, that you'll be wearing now and you can wear it 20 years from now. So that's so pretty. Love that bracelet. So with this pretty tassel pendant necklace, and this is from the Underground Caverns collection that I curated, and we have so many pieces. I didn't pull them all out for this video, but I did want to pull this one out because I think, again, such a pretty tassel pendant for the summer. So nice, pretty with a white tank top. Okay, I love this one, and this is from the Wild West Wonders collection, and this is the Wild West collar necklace. I honestly sometimes forget the things that I name them all, and I don't always remember them, but isn't that pretty? But the fun thing about this was that it was reversible. So you could have either side. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I don't know which side I like better. That's so gorgeous. And I think you can even still purchase this collection. I don't know, but it is from one of Eureka's collections. Isn't that pretty? Love this for summer. This little set, and we've got the pink peonies bracelet. Isn't that pretty? Love that. That is so pretty. This is also from a collection, Crystal Waters collection. So I'm just saying this because if you happen to have those collections and you haven't used all the beads, you could just go back to the collection and use them. Isn't that pretty? Love that bracelet. And then we have the, what is this, purple water lilies pendant and brooch. So here I made a little brooch out of it. Isn't that cool? This looks so pretty, just pinned on your lapel of a jacket, you know, of your coat. Put it on your purse. That would be cool too. And here we did the pendant as well. And that has a little drop on the bottom. I love these colors. I think they're so, so beautiful. And last but not least, we have this really pretty, this Laurena pendant. And this is one that we actually made in dark blues. And that was also from one of Eureka's collections. I don't remember the name, Mountain Vineyard, something like that, I think. I don't know if that's available anymore. However, I also made it in this pretty turquoise color. I just think this is so gorgeous. And I love it on the ribbon. Okay, there you have it. This is Bronzepony wrap up, and this is sort of the summery, beachy, turquoisey wrap up. I have so many more pieces in these colors, but I just wanted to pick out some, and I was feeling really beachy, and I think these all would look so, so pretty. You know, in the summer and, you know, walking on the beach. White sundress, straw hat, beautiful necklace, pendant, really, really nice. So I love all these pieces. Of course I do. I wouldn't share them with you if I didn't absolutely adore them. I'm going to link all the tutorials in the description box below the video. So if you want to go back and check those out, maybe, you know, maybe work on one of the tutorials, you certainly can. So I want to thank you so much for joining me for this wrap up, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.